Hello, my name is Claudia Navas. I'm from Bucaramanga and live in Pamplona. I have two children of 21 and 12 years old. I study system engineering. I like the math and programming. I don't like the soccer. Last month vacation. I went to Bogota. I stayed there 2 weeks and went with my son Diego Alejandro. I liked it because it was cheap. I just paid 400,000 pesos. I like because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, first of all, we were to the square of Quevedo, and I liked it a lot. After that, we went to the Century of July 20, finally to trade in San Victorino. I came back days ago because I started working last Friday. The weather. In the morning, the weather in Bogota is breezy. In the afternoon, it's cool, but it becomes freezing in the night. Recommendations. It is important that people wear warm clothes in Bogota. It is a good idea that people carry an umbrella every day. In the morning, it is recommended short windows and a door. Sometimes it is a good idea use boots and raincoats in Bogota. In Bogota, it is recommended that you turn on headlights for driving in the night. In the night, it is necessary that we wear warm clothes. It is important that roads are clear. In the schools, it is recommended that children use boots. Thanks.